Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss important topic McKinsey 7S model. So last session we discussed about what do you mean by strategy, what do you mean by strategic management, uh, what is the strategic management process, then corporate strategy, strategy and tactics. Now we are going to discuss very important McKinsey 7S model. So the McKinsey 7S model refers to a tool that analyzes a company's organizational design. So what is the structure of the organization? Top level, middle level, and low level. It's a combination. So you're going to design, right? You're going to structure of the organization. The goal of the model is to depict how effectiveness can be achieved in an organization through the interaction of 7 key elements. That is structure, strategy, skill, system, shared values, style, and staff. So the very important, McKinsey is a global consulting firm. It was founded by James O. McKinsey in 1926. So founded by James O. McKinsey in 1926. So they are having two types of elements, that is hard element and soft element. Hard elements, do you know, for example, it is a hard work. So you are taking more effort to success. That is a hard element. Another one is soft element. Soft element is nothing but easy to change or it's an intangible like that. So in this McKinsey 7S model, we are having 6 elements totally. So 3 elements belongs to hard element, 3 elements belong to soft elements. So strategy. So last session we discussed strategy. It will be difficult to frame, but once it will be framed, we can't change. If we can't change means it will be difficult to change, right? So in an organization, we are going to follow in strategy. Structure also, we are going to frame in the structure, that is top level, middle level, and low level. So this is the structure. This is the timing for our organization. This is the uniform. This is the dress code. Uh, so everything it will be in structure way, right? So that is the structure. Finally, you have to frame the systems. So these are the things covered under that systems. So what is the structure? What is the process? That will be the became a system. So system also we can't change. So that's only we are saying it's a hard element. But easy to change by the soft elements. Soft elements in the sense skills, staff, style, shared values. So skills, there are 3 types of skills are there. One is semi-skilled, unskilled, right? So I mean that skilled people, semi-skilled, unskilled. Skilled means it's effective. So whatever it is, they are able to work. Semi-skilled, somewhat it will be okay, but they need some training to achieve. Unskilled, there is no skills. So, so these are the types of skills. Then staff also, it's interrelated between the skills. Staff, whatever that roles and responsibilities, it will be clearly they can understand, then only they will work. That is a job role, job specification, job description. So what about my job description? What about my job role? So everything you are going to understand clearly, then only you can do your job perfect, right? That is a staff. Style is nothing but related to leadership style. So leadership style in the sense autocratic, democratic, free reign. So there are 3 types of leadership styles are there. So autocratic is nothing but it's like an army. For example, if there is an organization, whatever you emergency or whatever your difficulty, you can complete the work, then only you can leave. I don't need any permission to you, right? So this is the time you must come at the short time and you can leave at the short time, right? So whatever any emergency or anything, I don't give any permission. You must complete your work, then you can leave. That is a autocratic. Another one is democratic. So you, as a leader, you can mingle with your subordinates and coordinate. Then finally, you have to achieve your goal. Free reign. So you can mingle with your colleagues, I mean that your subordinates as a team. They're going to, it's a brainstorming. They're going to select a best decision from your team. Don't treat as I am the leader, I am only going to take a decision. So that is a free range style. So it will be free. I mean that easy to mingle with others by the leader, and you can take a decision. That is a style. The last one is shared values. Shared value is nothing but the core value for the particular organization, because each organization they are having some core values like policies, procedures, guidelines. So these are the things are important for the core value for the organization. So every employee can easily adaptability, right? Adapt to that particular environment. So that is a shared values. So this is the overall McKinsey 7S model. So that's only I said it was founded by James O. McKinsey in 1926. So there are two types of element, hard element and soft element. Okay. So hard elements are strategy, structure, and system. Soft elements, skills, staff, style, and shared values. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. So next session, we are going to discuss some important topic in strategic management. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.